Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. Good.
Then how are you?
Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
One second, guys. I'm trying to. Are you able to hear me, guys? I
Yeah.
don't know what is going on with my video. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm not able to hear you for some reason. Second, guys, there's something else going on. Not able to hear.
I can't hear you.
Hi, what, ma?
I don't hear you. Your
You
voice
can
is
hear me?
breaking. Your voice is breaking. Mm-hmm. Your video is frozen.
I have a problem. Let me see.
We're allowed to do
Now?
backgrounds. Your voice is cutting.
I don't see it. My voice is cutting. Okay.
Sounds better.
Let me check ma what is going on. Same system. Now you're able to hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I had to change some setting in my audio. I'm also weak. Only with your help I can do. Okay. Let's go ahead. You're able to hear me well, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. How was last week's homework? How was last week's homework? I have a lot of questions for you. How was last week's homework first?
Good.
Did you have anything that you did not know?
I don't know. I have one thing.
Please go ahead. What was that?
This the first one.
Tell me. What was that? Yes, Maharaja. Tell me. The first one you
I
did
did
not
not finish part
know.
3.
Part 3 fractions we didn't finish, Priya.
You did not know, is it?
Part 3 we didn't finish it. We didn't finish it part 3. We submitted part 2 and part 1 fraction.
Well, some of your eyes is blue.
You don't know. You don't just going to make out.
Yeah.
Some of my
What?
work.
60. What?
On this one, we don't know. On this one, we find it.
Oh, my turn.
You made a mistake. You still understand now, you understand, right? Yeah. Peter, having some network issues.
Coming.
जर्नी है ना अभी वॉशरूम का
You guys can talk.
Mama? Mama? Mama?
What? Did you press something?
Oh, yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Here it is.
Sorry.
It's okay. Can you call me when the teacher is here? Mute पे ही रख लेना. And call me when the teacher is here, okay?
Okay, she's right there.
Okay.
No, she's not here. She's not. Are you copying me? The class start?
No, the teacher is absent today.
No, it didn't. Oh, I was mute. Oh, yeah, I'm mute. Hi, Joy. Hi. Bye, Joy.
She's meeting from library and she will be here at 5:05.
Do you know where the teacher went?
She'll be back in 5 o'clock.
She's gonna be back at 5. Yes! Oh. But it's already 5:01. No, 5:01.
5:05.
No, dear sir.
Stop. And then see. Oat.
Please stop it. Please. Okay.
What are you doing? On that you.
Can you put the background to what it was? Yeah.
Good evening, Patana. This is Gary with Member Services. How are you doing today? Gary over at
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Edward Jealous.
Hi.
My turn. Da, 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 da. Chris. Chris. Oh. Don't go there. I'm gonna ask. You scared?
Really appreciate your patience, guys. Okay, I should be able to do it now. I had some connectivity issue, guys. Okay, my messages from the phone did not even send. Okay, sorry about it, guys. Like I made you wait for 20 minutes, right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's start the class quickly today. Okay, I'm not going to ask you much. Let's move on. I'm going to review what we did last week. Okay. I need to go check what my internet connection, where my internet connection is a problem. Let's see. Okay.
That happened to me last math class.
Last math class. Yeah, I know. It's so ridiculous, right? Till then it is getting connected, and after that, suddenly it goes off. I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Okay. How about, did you all, let me see how much of it you remember. What is 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7? Urvi, you tell me.
3 by 7.
Wow. Okay. Mahi, can I ask you something? What is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7?
Okay. 5 by 7.
Wow, I'm impressed, really. Okay. How about, does this represent 1 by 3?
No. No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Because they're not equal parts. That's not equal parts.
Very nice. Okay, now, please in chat, guys, what fraction does this represent? Mm-hmm.
Miss Priya, my chat is disabled. Can your chat disabled?
Not disabled. Yeah, it's for everyone.
I have to do chat. Do I do?
No. Not working for anyone.
My chat is this. I'm
No,
able
it's
to
not.
chat.
Okay, now you can.
Oh.
What does this? Yep,
Go
I
ahead.
received the answers. Go ahead. What does that fraction represent?
Now do it.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, Dev, good job. Arjun Ram, good job. Indeshri, good job. Raja, can you please check? You know the answer. Good job. Mahi, can I get your answer?
Oh my God. I did.
Hmm?
Give it.
You did? Oh, you did? Yeah, you did. I want you to recheck, Mahi.
What? I gave you the answer.
I just want Raja to check. Yes, Urvi, that's right. Raja, good job. Okay. Guys, if you all count properly, you're all good, I think, right? So what was the last exercise number you did? As a part of the homework, what was the last exercise number you did? Remember?
I did 50. Mine was 58. I think 58. 58?
Okay. That's fine.
Oh
That's
no.
fine. That's fine. Okay. Now go ahead and tell me which is bigger. Yeah, we need to do more of number lines, which I did not review. That's okay. Let's go ahead and try this one.
I did 50.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, how about this? 1 by 5 is greater or 3 by 5 is greater?
Shall we send in chat?
Why don't we discuss this?
3 by 5 is greater.
Why? Why 3 by 5 is greater?
Because the top number should be bigger than the other top number.
Oh,
So
you think so? Okay. Let me ask you then. Let me ask you another case then. Okay. The top number should be greater than the other top number, right? Which is greater? The top number is greater.
3 out of 12. 3 by 12. 3 out of 12.
3 by 12 is greater?
Yeah.
No. You know why?
Oh.
What, Arjun Ram? Tell me.
My mom teach me, but now I forget. A lot of times. I just don't know. No, it's not 3 by 12.
And you think
No, it's not that.
one pizza has 2 slices, one has 12. Same size pizza. One has 12 slices, one has 2 slices.
Huh? Let's keep them steady. 1 by 2. I cannot try.
A pizza, 2 pizzas, draw color,
I'm
one
not
with
trying over here.
No, you try one.
I
It's
want some
1 by
answers in chat,
2.
guys. I want
1
some
by-
answers in chats.
You want the answer in chat?
Yeah.
Okay, but
No, but first do
Wait,
it.
what do we do in chat?
I want to understand 1 by 2 is greater or 3 by 12 is greater. And tell me a reason why you're saying that, okay? Go ahead. Oh, wow. Vindyashri, who taught you this? Vindyashri, how did you know that? Can you educate me a little bit more?
My mom.
Your mom. Okay. I see. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and ask you this. Let me go ahead and show you something. Okay. 1 by 2 is this. What is 1 by 2? A pizza is split into half. 1 by 2 is this. Okay. 3 by 12 is, you're going to split this into
12 parts.
12 parts. 12 equal parts, right?
Mm-hmm.
12 equal parts. 3 of those colored.
Are shaded.
Go ahead. Which is bigger? I want some
1
conversation.
out of 2.
Why do you think so?
Because like if you split a pizza and the slice is bigger than the other.
Slice is bigger than the other when you look at it, is it? Okay. So the thing is, I told you fractions, when you want to look at them together, right, they should always be divided into the same number of parts. In this case, you divided both the pieces into 5 pieces. As a result, 1 was colored, 3 was colored in here. Correct, guys? So you said this was bigger. The thing here is the size of the piece, right, is bigger here. So you cannot compare both. You got it? You cannot compare the size of the pizza, meaning size of each piece of pizza in both is different. So what do? You know what? How do you do this? It's very hard to compare, right? So what do? Why don't you draw like this and check it out? One way. You know what is the other way? Let me show you. This is 1/2, correct?
Mm.
Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, the same pizza, but I know I divide each piece into 4 pieces, each pizza into 4 pieces. Now, the same 1/2 is what fraction is this? What fraction is that? What fraction is
2
that?
by 4.
2/4. Okay. Now, third one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, what is this fraction? Thanks, Mom. What is this fraction?
3 by 3.
3 by
3 by 6.
6. Wait. 1 second, guys. Three by 6. And then let's see this. So the same half, let's first analyze this. The same half is equal to 2/4. The same thing is equal to 3/6. Do you see, guys? When you split the same pizza into different sized pieces, the same fraction can be represented in different ways. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, what I mean is this half, when I split the pizza into 2 pieces, this is a half. When I split the same pizza into 4 equal pieces, the same part, okay, is what? 2/4. Do you see it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in this case, I split the pizza into 2 pieces. In this case, I split the pizza into
3 pieces. 3 pieces.
in this case, I split the pizza into how many pieces?
12. 12.
12 pieces. Good job. We split the pizza into 12 total pieces. Okay. Now, if you think about it, in that 2 piece, 1 piece is bigger. One of the 2 pieces is always bigger. Whereas in those 12 pieces, 3 of the pieces even seem smaller here. Do you see? So fraction comparison don't work straight. You cannot compare just the numerator. You cannot compare just the denominator. You got it? So
Yeah.
how do we manage this? Tables. How many tables do you all know? How many? Let me.
I know.
Till what? Till what? 13? Okay, Raja, how many tables do you know? tables. The other way is 2 times 1, 3 times 1. How many do you know? Raja, how many tables you know, ma? Arjun Ram, how many tables you know?
Like until 30.
Okay, let me ask you this. 2 times 8 is what, Arjun Ram?
2 times 8,
Mm.
2 times 5 is 25.
Okay, guys. Okay.
That's in fives. I thought you were doing fives.
Uh-huh.
6. 19. 16.
Good job. Okay, I really want to go there. Okay, let me come back to the same question. Okay, I'm asking, let's say 2 times 5. 2
tables
times
and
2.
2 tables.
Okay, yeah, I just want to see. I will write the names. You're going to just fill it in here. Okay, I'm going to write the names. You're going to fill it in here. Okay.
We could fill it with our
Yeah,
pen.
you can. Yeah, you can fill it with your pen. Okay, one by one. Okay.
Should
I
we
want
put
to.
the answer in the chat?
No, 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 no. You can directly write it in the board.
Okay.
You know how to write it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see, guys. I want Urvi, Arjun Ram. I'll give you 4 by 4. Okay. Vindhyashri. Mahi, I am thinking that you said you know more. Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy.
Yes, go ahead. Quick. I want to see who's filling in fast. 4 of you have given you.
Can't do it.
I want to see.
Use this. Okay, next. Next.
Two times. Okay, nice. Urvi, are you do? Okay. Good job. Vindhyashri, you can take off. Good job. I'm just waiting, Dev. Okay, good. Urvi, you can take it off. Arjun Ram, I'm just waiting for one more from you. Okay. Raja and Mahi, I know that I have not given you, but I'm going to give you. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Can I clear this out?
Yeah.
Can I clear this out? Okay, good job. 2 times 6, 3 times 5, 4 times 7. This is for Raja. 2 times 5, 3 times 8, 4 times 8. Go ahead, guys. Quick, Mahi. Mahi and Raja, quick. I really want to understand where we are. Okay. In the meantime, when Raja and Mahi does this, right? Urvi, what is 3 times 8, ma? It's okay to not know. What is 3 times 8? Try. You take your time. I just want to know what is 3 times 8. You take your time. It's okay to take time. You don't, it's not a
24.
good job. How about 2 times 9, ma, Urvi?
Just do it
2
by
times 9?
2 times 9.
use just the pen.
Miss Priya, I
Yeah,
can't write the 12.
okay, that's okay. You can go ahead, Raja. Go ahead, ma, Urvi.
I'll just try 18.
It doesn't work like that.
Good job. Urvi, are you doing it one by one and you're by yourself saying that?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I said. Okay. Vindhyashri, what is 3 times 9, ma?
27.
Good job. Dev, what is 3 times 6?
8 times 6. 20.
3 times 6, Dev.
18.
Wow. 4 times 6?
Me.
Yeah.
24.
Good job. Arjun Ram, 3 times 5?
3 times 5. 15.
Good job. 4 times 8? Arjun Ram?
32.
Okay, guys. Good job. Okay. Who I did not ask. Raja, which one are you comfortable? Which multiplier are you comfortable? 2 or 3 or 4? Which multiplier are you comfortable?
1. I also do
1. Okay.
One
Are you
here.
comfortable? Okay. Okay. So you know what? For next
2,
week,
1
Raja,
and 5.
1 and 5. Okay.
2.
So for next week, you know what, Raja? You're going to write this every single day in a notebook. Okay.
I
Till
already did.
you already did, but I want you to rewrite every single day one time. You got it? 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, like this till 3 times 15. Okay, I'll also tell your mom separately. Okay, this one, and you're going to do 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3 till 4 times 15. Got it?
Got it.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, and then you know what? 5 times 1 till 5 times 15. Make sense?
Times 15. All the way to
Yeah.
5 times 15.
Yeah. Till that you need to do. Okay. Now, Mahi, what is 3 times 6, ma?
3 times 6.
Mm.
3.
I'm not going to give it to you now, Arjun Ram. I want her to reply. Let her take her time. Doesn't matter. We are going to wait for her. And we can 18. Did you do it by yourself or asking mommy?
I just told her the answer. I did it on my fingers.
No problem. Okay, good. Let me ask you this. What is 5 times 7? Do you know,
Me?
Mahi?
Yeah.
Do you know what is 5 times 7?
Wait, what is it? 35? Oh, yeah.
Good job. Okay, okay, I get some clarity. Good. Okay, now we were discussing the fraction 1 by 2. Okay, okay. Next week, guys, for the next week, right? You know, I want all of you for 2 days, meaning I want all of you at least for 2 days, you're going to write 2 times 1 to 2 times 15. 2 days in the week, meaning 2 times you're going to repeat this. That's all. Okay, 3 times 1 to 3 times 15. Raja, in your case, right, I really want you to repeat for at least 5 days. Same thing. You got it? Yeah, you will be able to get it quickly.
In my notebook?
Yeah, in your notebook. Okay, I'm not, there's no pressure, but at the same time, I want you to be able to write it, memorize it. You got it?
Yes.
2 times 1, 3 times 1, 4 times 1, 5 times 1. Raja is going to do these. You guys are going to do all of this for 2 days. Since he is doing some extra work here, the rest of you are going to do 6 times 1, 6 times 2 to 6 times 15 for 2 days a week. Make sense?
Yes.
2 times you need to submit. You got it?
Okay.
Any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Did you all understand what to do?
Yeah.
Raja, can you come on the video? Okay. Okay. So let me note down separately this homework for all of you. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raja, you're good? You're good? Okay, let's go ahead. Now, this is the fraction 1 by 2. What fraction is this?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by
Now
2.
the same fraction. How are we going to find the equal? The same fraction, we are going to find it with different numbers, right? What I'm doing, I'm dividing each by 2. So how many total? How many total pieces?
4.
4. Of that, if I want to represent half, how many gets colored?
1,
2.
2.
2 by 4. So can
2
I
by
say 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4? Do you all agree with me?
Yeah.
How do you get this? How do you get this pattern? See, they multiply by 2, and say both are equal fractions. Did you see that?
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yes.
Exactly. So so you can compare fractions only if they have same total number of pieces. You got it? Now, how do you compare 1 by 5 with 7 by 8? Which is bigger, you all think? Let me put
1 by 8.
Let me put this down, guys. Let me not confuse you with that. Or 1 by, let me put it like 1 by 2 with 2 by 3.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
How do you know that?
1 by the size would be bigger.
Nice. That is nice, but let's see this one. 1 by 2. Let's go ahead and, okay, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. I'm going to draw a lot of these now, okay? So if my denominator is a 6, right? If my denominator is a 6, what does that mean? I'm going to divide this into how many parts? How many total number of parts would be? If my denominator is 6, what is the total number of parts?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But to color half, right? How many of these pieces will I color if I want half of the pizza to be colored?
3 out of 6.
3 out of 6. 3 out of 6. You're all with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm going to make this pizza. Okay, this was half. So I divide each into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So what will be the denominator now?
10.
10. So if I want to color half, right? How many will I color?
5.
5.
5.
Good
5.
job. Very nice job. So you're all getting it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, what is half of 16? What
Half
is
of
half of 16, English?
8.
What is, what is,
8.
what is, good. What is half of 6?
3.
3. What is half of 20?
10.
Good job. What is half of 7?
14. 14?
14? What is half of 7? 14 is double of 7. What is half of 7?
4.
Okay, you think it's a 4.
12.
Okay.
12.
7, right? 7 can be split as what? Think about it like this, guys. 7 can be split as 6 and 1, correct? What is half of 6 is 3. Half of 1 is what? Half of 1 is what? So 3.5 is the half of 7. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me ask you this. Okay. This is 3 by 4. Okay. This is 1 by 3. Which is bigger?
1 by 3.
Wait, guys. You have to think. Wait. Please, let me explain, okay? 3 by 4 and 1 by 3. Think about the halves. We discussed halves, right? Okay. Which is more than half? Is 3 by 4 more than half or less than half? 3 by 4. See, what is the half of 4? What is the half of 4?
2.
2 by 4 is half, right? The 3 pieces is greater than the 2. 2 by 4 is exactly half. 3 by 4 is greater than half. Am I with you all?
Yes.
Okay. Whereas, what is half of 3? What is half of 3?
2.5. 2.5. 2.
What is half of 3?
2.5. 1.5.
1 and a half. 1 and a half. So see, 1 and a half. But this is only 1. So it is less than half or greater than half?
Less than
Less than half. So which is bigger? Which is bigger? So which is bigger?
3 by 4.
3 by 4 is bigger. It's greater than half. See, this half, right, is called a benchmark fraction. The half is called a benchmark fraction. Okay, it can tell you a lot about fractions. Similarly, 1 whole is as well a benchmark fraction. 1 whole, you know, 1 whole, it's a benchmark. 1 by 2 is a benchmark fraction. Okay, so comparison becomes easy if you compare it to half. How about this? This is 1 by 6 and 5 by 8. Which is bigger? What do you think about it? Compare with the half. It becomes very easy. Go ahead, guys.
Wait, do we send it in chat?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 by 6 is half and 5 by 8 is half?
Go ahead. What is that, Vindyashri? What is that number you have sent to me?
18.
What is that, ma? Meaning I'm asking whether 1 by 6 is bigger or 5 by 8 is bigger.
Before.
What do you mean?
sent it before.
Oh, okay. Okay, Vindyash. Good to know. Okay, let's do it. Let's think out loud, guys. Urvi, tell me. 1 by 6 is less than half or greater than half?
Okay.
1 by 6 is less than half or greater than half?
No, less than 5 times 2 equals
1 by 6 is less than half or greater than half?
Less than.
Less than half. Why? What is exactly equal to half if the denominator is 6? The denominator, okay, let's consider our piece. This is half. Okay, this is 1 by 2. But if I make your denominator 6, I have to split this 1/2, meaning split this entire piece into 6 equal pieces, right?
Yeah.
Now to color that, it has to be 3 by 6, correct?
Right.
Okay, 3 by 6 is half, correct?
Yeah.
But let me finish. 1 by 6 is less than half or greater than half? 1 by 6 is less than half. Good job, guys. How about 5 by 8? What is half of 8? What is half of the total? What is
4.
4 by 8? 4 by 8. So is this greater than half or less than half?
Less
Is 5 by 8
greater than half.
greater than half? So which is bigger?
8.
Which is bigger?
6.
5 by 8. Yeah. 5 by 8 is
1 by
bigger.
6.
How about? Huh? What? Okay, we'll redo. Wait. Okay. 7 by 11. Don't worry about it. 7 by 11, 5 by 11. Which is bigger?
7 by 11. 7 by 11.
You all know that. Good job. Now let me ask you something. Okay. You all know this because you're dividing the pizza into 11 pieces. Okay. Same 11 pieces. If you split it, the size of each piece is the same. So it's easy. Now, 1 by 2 is bigger or 1 by 3 is bigger? Wait, guys, don't shout out. Don't shout out. Don't shout out. Don't shout out, please. 1 minute, please. I'm going to do this, please. Which is bigger?
1/2.
1/2 is bigger. So do you see you're going to see a pattern, okay? Now 1/3 is bigger or 1/4 is bigger? Who can tell me?
1/3.
Okay,
1/3.
let me tell.
1/4. 1/4.
This is 1/3.
1/3. 1/4. 1/3. 4.
Raja, please see the picture and then answer.
1/3.
1/3 is bigger. 1/3 is bigger. So what pattern do you notice? If your numerator is always 1, how do you find out which fraction is bigger? See, you split the pizza into 2 pieces. Here you split the pizza into 3 pieces. Here you split the pizza into 4 pieces. So one piece, one of the piece is bigger only when you split the pizza into small number of pieces. So 1/2 is always bigger because you're splitting the pizza into 2 pieces only. When you split the pizza into 3 pieces, each piece will become smaller. I buy a pizza, okay? I split it between you and your brother. Then the piece will be bigger. Now mom and dad join in. You split the pizza into 4 people. What will happen? If you split the pizza to 4 people, what would happen?
It would be the same amount.
No, I am buying a new pizza. Pranav, do you want to join back at 6 o'clock, ma Pranav?
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's better. This is a smaller class. So you can join at 6 o'clock. Just for today. Okay. Otherwise, our usual time. Today, there was an internet problem. I ran late, and as a result, I have adjusted some timing. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, tell me. Okay, let's go back to our discussion. I'm asking which is bigger now. Which is bigger in this? Who can tell me?
2
Yes.
by 1. I mean, 1/2. 1/2.
1/2 is bigger. Very nice. 1/2 is the biggest. How about 1/7, 1/3, 1/2? Which is bigger?
1/2. 1/2.
1/2. Now, okay. Wait. 1/6, 1/4, 1/5. Urvi, which is bigger?
1/4.
1/4. Good job. 1/9, 1/8, 1/15. Raja, which is bigger?
1/8.
Oh, guys, you all got it then? Okay. Now, how about, see the benchmark one, you can take some more time to digest it. It's not urgent. Okay, let's see this one. Can you complete this pattern? Can you complete this pattern?
Sure.
Yeah. What comes here, Vindyashri? What comes in the box?
7/9.
Very nice. Okay, 1/5, 3/5, 4/5. What comes in the box, Mahi? What comes? Mm-hmm.
5/5. 5/5.
What? Mahi. That was a question for Mahi, please.
Okay. 5/5.
Why 5/5 now? See the pattern, ma. You have 1 here, you have 3 here, you have 4 here.
Because after 4 comes 5. No.
I am asking what comes in the box in between.
2/5.
Ah, good job identifying it. Nice. Now, I painted half of the room. Okay, you're all going to think, you're not going to shout out your answers here in this one. Okay, my sister painted. Uh, I don't want to give it to you. So 3/4 of room. Who painted more? Please don't shout out. Okay, just answer in
Send
chat.
in chat.
Yeah, please. All of you, so that I'll know what each of you know. Naman and Satvika, I kindly request you to log in at 6 o'clock today.
Is the class going to be 6 to 7?
No, ma, just for today. I had a bad internet outage, so I'm outside. Okay, so That's why, but it's late by 10 minutes. We are starting late by 10 to 12 minutes, please. Just for today.
So,
Usually I'll have a lot of time between your classes. Today I will not.
But
Okay.
Miss Priya, I have swimming right after this.
That's okay, Ma. You're going to join. We are going to start 10 minutes late whatsoever.
Okay.
it's pretty good.
Go ahead, guys.
Okay.
You're going to Vihan, we are just for today, we are 10 minutes late. Ma. You can join back at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Vindhyashri, good job. I want some reasoning. Urvi and Vindhyashri have just said the answer. I want something to talk about. Why did you say that your answer is right? Arjun Ram, why do you say that is right? Arjun Ram, you can go ahead and shout. Why do you think half is bigger, Arjun Ram?
I'm doing it in my notebook. If it's
That's better. Then you'll get different answers. Let me see. I'll wait.
I send mine. I send mine.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm seeing Mahi, why do you think half is bigger? Did you use our logic? Did you use our logic?
Yes.
You know about half, correct?
I did it wrong. Is it right? Because there's 4 rooms and she colored 3, so that's more than 1/2.
Come again, Mahi.
Oh.
Arjun Ram, why do you think half is bigger? Arjun Ram. Okay, Mahi, why do you think half is bigger? You have to answer, Ma, or I'm not hearing.
Oh, because
Okay, let me put it down. Half and 3/4. Okay, half is our benchmark fraction. So don't worry about it. Is 3/4 less than half or greater than half, Mahi?
greater.
Then which is bigger? Who painted more?
3/4.
Yeah, who painted more then? Who
My
painted?
sister.
Good job. Your sister painted more. Arjun Ram, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Arjun Ram, did you understand that? Okay, let's move ahead. How about this? How about this? Let's do this. Okay. You're going to answer in chat this one. Okay? You're all going to answer in chat. Go ahead with this. There are 2 questions we are trying to
Send
answer.
you the answer. I send you one. I'll send you one.
I sent it. I sent it.
Mm-hmm.
What does? Nothing. Is my first one right?
1 second, guys.
I sent in both answers.
Yes, I have it. Good job, Dev. Proud.
I finished
I
this.
Good job,
right.
Mahi. Very good job. Why don't you try the second one, Mahi?
Yeah.
Arjun Ram, please think about it, Arjun Ram. How are you saying that, Arjun Ram? Tell me. Urvi, good job on the first one. Go ahead with the second one. Vindhyashri, good job on the first one. Go ahead with the second one. Raja,
Okay.
Raja, good job on both. Okay. Now, Arjun Ram, I want you to explain the first one. What happened to the first one? What happened to the first one?
Oh. I send you the answer.
Good job, Vindhyashri. Second one is very good, Mahi. Mahi, second one, can you check once more? I gave you 1/5. I gave you 1 by...
Was
Huh?
my first one right? Was my first one right?
First one was right, I told you. Second one only, I said, I asked you to work on. Second one, can you recheck, redo?
Oh.
I think you got it, but you're confused with the numbers. Why, I'm not sure. Raja, did you answer? You answered both, I know. Arjun Ram, can you explain the first one? Why did you have that answer, Arjun Ram? Arjun Ram. What should come here? What should come here? What should come?
I gave it the answer.
Okay, I'm checking. Arjun Ram, I want you to speak out, Amma. Good job, Mahi. Urvi, good job. Guys, I think you're all getting it well. Arjun Ram, are you going to answer, unmute and answer, or I'm going to move on?
You gave me it right. Okay.
What is your answer for this one, Arjun Ram?
I'll share in chat.
You can shout out, please. I want to know.
2/6.
Okay, what is the next answer? Okay, let's have the pizza. I want to show you this. Some of you have got, most of you have got it right, but I want to show you. This is my whole pizza. Okay, I split it into 5 pieces. One whole is 5/5. One whole is 4/4. One whole is 3/3. One whole is 2/2. One whole is 9/9. One whole is 100/100. One whole is 99/99. One whole pizza I'm splitting up into 5 parts. Okay, in this 5 parts, when I take away one of the parts, how many parts remain? That's what they are asking.
4. Miss Priya.
4/5.
Yes,
Yes,
your screen is small.
my screen is small. Okay, let me make it big. Wait. Okay, which is bigger? 1/5 is bigger or 1/10 is bigger? Raja, tell me.
1/10. 1/5.
Okay, what is 8/9 minus 4/9? Urvi.
4/9.
Good job. Okay. Now, I want Dev to answer. 1 minus 9/12. What is it, Dev? 1 minus 9 by 12.
3
Hey, the others can answer in chat. You don't have to keep quiet at all.
out of 12.
Good job. How did
Oh.
you do that? Can you explain to us?
I did it.
Go ahead.
12 out of 12 minus 3. And I
Very
got
nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, how about this? Okay. How about this? If I want you to add these, how do you add these? What is the answer to this?
4 by 6. 6 by 6. 6 by 6. 6 by 6.
By 6. What is that? 6 by 6 is what?
1 whole.
6.
Good job, guys.
6.
Okay, how about this? This is a tricky one. Okay, all of you are going to answer in chat. 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5.
Okay.
You're going to take your time, okay?
Is the last one 2 out of 5?
Yeah, the last one is 2 out of 5.
I don't want it.
How will you answer?
The last one is 2 out of 5. See, however they give fractions, right?
I
You should be
sent
able to answer. Yeah, I'm checking.
Miss Priyanti,
Yeah,
I did it on my notebook.
you did it on your notebook. Can you send it?
I did. I sent it the answer. Why is it small?
Okay. Good job, Raja. Vindhyashri. Vindhyashri, can you check once more? 1 whole is always 10 by 10, 9 by 9, 8 by 8, 7 by 7. Here the denominator is 5. 1 whole is always 5 by 5. Dev, good job, Dev.
What? Miss Priyanti, I can't see your face.
You're able to see Raja now?
Yes, I can now.
Dev, proud of you. Vindhyashri, good job, ma. Urvi, good job, ma. Urvi, are you answering by yourself or getting help, ma? Just tell me that.
I'm answering by myself.
Myself. Okay. Dev, Vindhyashri, how about you guys? Okay. Okay. See, I feel confident, but sometimes I need to ask you. Dev, how about you?
Myself.
Myself. Okay. Sometimes it's okay to say you are getting help. I want to know, right? Then only I can proceed to the next topic. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Mahi, did you get the answer?
No, not yet. I'm still doing it on my notebook.
Okay. Okay, you can do Arjun Ram. What is the answer, Arjun Ram?
You're not doing it, Peter.
So here, let's see this one. One is Arjun Ram, you're going to listen now. One is 5 by 5. From 5 by 5, you're going to subtract 1 by 5. What is the answer, Arjun Ram?
4 by 5.
4 by 5. From 4 by 5, again you're going to substitute 2 by 5, subtract 2 by 5. What is the answer?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Good job. Okay, guys. Okay. You know, just for today, I'm going to stop. Okay. But I'm going to give you homework on whatever we discussed today. One is comparing fractions. Next is addition, subtraction of fractions with word problems. Do you all get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Word
Word problems means sentence problems, meaning you will be given the
Miss
details of a context.
Priyanti,
Yeah, ma.
why is your screen moving?
Moving.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like as if it's not. I don't know. It's not moving, right? What is that you're saying moving, Raja?
Not moving. You see the white screen moving.
Really? Are the others seeing it moving?
No.
No.
Something doesn't feel right, Raja. I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll stop here, but your homework will be on whatever we have discussed today. Okay. And after that, you're all going to write a test on fractions, what we learned. Make sense, guys?
Yeah. Don't we
Okay.
have to do the multiplication?
Absolutely. I'll put that as a separate homework. Absolutely, you will have to put that. Okay. I will write down the details in Google Classroom so you can see and then do. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry, guys, today. Okay. For the internet problem. Okay. I'll make sure. I'll try my best to make sure. Okay. I made you wait, right? It was bad.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. I'll have to go home and check.
I know what happened.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you all.
right now. Bye.
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 Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Sorry to have delayed you by 10, 12 minutes, right? Because I had an internet outage and I ran late. I really wanted to have some time in between. I couldn't, meaning that's why I had to make you log in a little late. Okay. Sorry about that. Satvika, I do understand, ma. But it's very hard if you schedule classes like that for me as well. That's why I always request you to have 10, 15 minutes plus and minus, ma. Shruti, I know the problem for you. I'm very well aware of it. Okay. Both of you are going for the same event, huh? Do you go for the same event, Satvika and Shruti?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. Okay. So you know each other already?
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to be in the same level in swimming.
Ah, nice. Good to know, guys. I realized it only today. Okay. Okay. How was the homework? Hey, first of all, what are you doing in school? Jeevanashri, what are you doing in school?
We just like started learning about functions.
Wow, at school?
Yeah.
Oh, did you find it good?
Yeah, it was easy.
Nice. How about others? Shrestha, you tell me, ma. How is school?
We also just started learning about functions.
Oh, everybody started with functions. It's interesting. Okay, I didn't know that you were going to start with functions, and we discuss functions so coincidentally. Okay. I really want to know each of your school. What are you doing? Please, Sahasra, how about you?
Well, we're also starting functions.
You're also starting functions. Okay, Vihan and Satvik. Satvik, I don't want to know from you. Vihan, how about you?
Functions.
Functions. Naman, what are you doing? What did you start with? I just want to know, whatever topic it was.
Ratios and rates.
Okay. Jashvita, ma?
Right now we're doing a project.
Oh, you're doing a project. Darsh, what did you start with in school?
Right now we're just reviewing and solving equations right now. It's pretty easy.
Oh, reviewing and solving. See, that's what each teacher will go in a different sequence. Okay, so
Yeah.
you're not going to start with functions, is what I'm saying, Darsh. Doesn't matter, guys. At the end, you should be able to get it nicely. That's all. Okay. Okay. If you have any trouble with any particular topic at school, just keep me posted. Okay, with a private WhatsApp message. Make sense? Anytime. But you have to tell me beforehand. Even if you come here and say I can clarify, no problem at all. But I can't go in depth. Okay, I have to align my lesson plan accordingly. Karthik, what are you doing in school?
We just started linear equations.
Oh my, okay. See, Darsh and you are going alike, looks like to me.
Oh yeah,
Do you have the
Miss
same
Priya,
teacher? Yama?
my name is Srihari.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now, okay. There will be a small quiz on functions. Okay, guys, it's not a test, okay? It is just a PDF file that will be put out tonight. Okay, guys? So you will work on that. And domain and range, there will be a review. Both will be put out tonight. Okay, this is apart from what we are going to learn today. Does that make sense? The function quiz is so small. Okay, the domain and range, yes, it's a lot bigger. But I'm going to discuss that one more time now. the domain and range homework that you would be doing tonight, right? Tonight or for this week, right? That's so important. Okay. Definitely couple of problems will come for star from that. Make sense? Okay. And it's also important for algebra too. Now, what is this? Okay. Really sorry for the 15 minutes delay, guys, today. Actually, when I started the previous class, there was suddenly an internet outage and I could not even connect my phone. I could not tell them as well that I'm getting delayed. So I had to rush to a local library. Okay. That's why everything got delayed and messed up. Okay. How about this? Go ahead with this. This is a review, right, guys? So first, let me see what we are going to do today. What was the last page in the book that you're covering? I forgot to ask you that. Pranav, are you here?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Pranav, you never told me what are you doing in school, and Netra did not tell me what are you doing in school.
I'm solving for the variable.
Oh, see, okay, you are okay. I see. Netra, how about you, ma?
We just started learning about domain and range.
Oh, that's good for you then. Hey, do you have what is the upcoming unit, Netra or Satvika or Shruti? Do you have what is the upcoming unit after functions?
I don't know.
See, the thing is, it's with the intent of helping you. I don't mind going by the order in the book. Usually I go by the order in the book. But if anyone can tell me what's coming up, then I'll go with that, helping you out. That's it. You got it? Whenever you get to know, just keep me posted, even with a message from your mom's phone or dad's phone. Okay? I intend helping you there. Sahasra, you're also going with functions, you said, right, Sahasra?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Let's go ahead and try that. What is the answer for that?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma'am.
What does H mean?
That's not a hedge. I'm going to explain that. That's why I brought this question.
Okay.
Satvika. That's right, Satvika. Shruti, that's right. Jashwita, that's right. Vihan, that's right. Naman, that's right. Krishu, that's right. Srihari, you have to log in with your name. That's why it becomes hard for me, you know. If you don't have your name, how will I ever know, ma? It's very hard. You see your meaning. Always in Zoom, what happens is your brain tends to call out the name that is the name there. You see what I mean? I know your names nicely, but yeah. Sahasra, how do you say that, ma? Sahasra, how do you say? Why do you say that?
Wait, I
You
missed
got it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I think you got it. Okay. So see, only thing I want to know is whether you understand the concept. If you make mistake, doesn't matter one bit here. Sahash, that's right, ma. Shrestha, that's right. Srihari, how did you say that, Srihari? Explain. Naman, did you answer?
Yeah.
Yes. And Darsh, I don't remember seeing yours, ma.
I'm still working on it.
Okay. Netra, you can explain why do you say that? Why do you say that, Netra?
I don't think I gave you an answer yet, though.
See there, you've given me an answer, lady.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to type that in.
No problem. Okay, looks like everybody understood. But if you want, yeah, Darsh, that's right. Darsh, what made you think so long?
I was just making sure that well, I was trying to remember what the open dot and the closed dot was.
How about nice? Thank you for letting me know. Pranav, can you explain, Pranav? Why did you say that, Pranav? You can explain to me. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh shoot.
No, you can tell me. What big deal? I told you, right? If there's a problem, we'll solve.
Is it F?
Are you looking at the x-axis or y-axis, Amma?
I was looking at the y-axis first.
Yeah, look at the y-axis again.
So the
You should look at the y-axis, 100%.
the closed dot has
The closed dot means it's not equal to, correct?
okay.
So what happens?
Closed dot is not equal to, and then open dot is equal to. So okay.
So which one is right?
So it's J.
J, good job. Okay.
Because I mixed up
move on.
the dots.
No, absolutely no problem. That is why I'm revising. Okay. As long as you, yeah. See, when there is a hole means that point is not covered, right? If it's shaded, that point is included. That's all. Okay. Is this a function or not, Naman? Is this a function or not?
No.
Why and why not? Why?
Because when you do the vertical line test, it touches
It
2
fails
points.
it. Good job. How about this? Is this a function, Shruti?
Yes.
Yes, it is a function. It passes the vertical line test. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. I have taught you about the function notation, right, guys? This is read as f of x. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. You know, this is your independent quantity. This is your dependent quantity. When you compare two graphs, it is always x is here and f of x is here. The dependent quantity is here. The independent quantity is here. Any questions?
Wait, what's the difference of the dependent and independent?
Meaning, can you elaborate a little bit more? What do you mean by that?
Like, if x is independent and f of x is dependent, so what difference does that make?
What difference does that make? Okay. Yeah, I get it. I hear you. Okay. Let's consider the scenario. I'm paid $10 per hour for my work. Okay. I work for 20 hours. You tell me here which is the dependent and which is the independent quantity.
The dependent quantity is 10 and the independent is 20.
Wait. What are the quantities that are being compared?
10 and 20.
What are the quantities? Meaning, is it
$10 and 20 hours?
Dollars and hours.
Oh, dollars and hours.
Yeah. So that's okay. And we are just discussing, right? So which is independent?
Hours.
Hours. The dollar really depends on the hours. So we call this as a dependent quantity. This should be plotted on the y-axis. Make sense?
Yeah.
So x-axis is where it will keep going. It's out of scope for you. You see? Hour 1, hour 2, hour 3. This is not under your control. However, the number of hours increases, the money you're going to earn is going to increase like anything. So basically, the money is dependent on your independent quantity, which is the hours. Make sense?
Yeah.
You cannot switch both. Do you see? The money you earn cannot be an independent quantity. You get it? Hours cannot be dependent on it. So f of x here points to your dollar value. X here points to your hours value. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if I ask you to write the function for this, I'll give you a context, okay? You have two quantities. When you have two quantities, you can always write a function, correct? Because function is what? Is the relationship between two quantities, correct? So now I'm saying I'm paid $10 per hour for my work. I work for 20 hours, I'm saying, right? So how do I write it as X and Y? Let X be the number of hours. How do I write my f of X? What is my f of X?
Your f of x is the dollars.
Yeah, I know. But what is the equation for it? What is the expression for it? How do I write my expression? What is
10. Oh, like what?
Okay, think about this. I don't want to tell the answer. I'll ask somebody now. Wait. Anybody can think about it, okay? It should not be that Naman should be only person to answer, okay? We're all discussing and anybody can answer. Okay, I work for 1 hour, I get $10. Hours, 2 quantities, right? 2,
Yeah.
20, 3, 30, 4, 40. Now, this, I'm going to write it out as f of x, this as x. So the number of hours is x. What is my f of x? Input-output rule is what we are doing.
Oh, is it y? Y?
Why? That I know. Yeah, that I know. But what is it in terms of x?
I don't know.
You know? See the pattern?
50?
Hmm?
50?
Why would it be 60? I'm talking about x. If I work
Oh,
for x number of hours, what happens to the money I earn?
maybe it's F.
0.
What, Masreshta?
X, 10x,
Hmm.
10x.
Yes, 10x. Good job. 10 times x. See here, see the rule here. So x means x times 10, you write it as 10x. So f of x equal to 10x. Naman, did you get that?
Yeah.
Now, what are they asking? I work for 20 hours. That means they're asking for f of x. What is the money I earn? That's what they're asking. So they're asking for f of 20. That means what? They ask me for f of 20. What does that mean? My number of hours is 20. Hey, calculate my dollar value. You heard
200.
it? Yeah, 200.
Oh.
So f of 20 is 200. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a few more. Let's understand this a little bit, okay? Okay. Okay. I am an Uber driver. Okay. I charge $7 base fee. Okay. For every mile I drive, I charge $12. Okay. Write a function to calculate the money I earn in this context. I really don't want to give you, hey, this is X, this is independent value, this is your dependent value, all that I don't want to say, okay? Your question in Algebra 1 will say, the star exam will say, but that's not what we want. You have to identify all that. So what is X here, Satvika? What is the independent quantity here?
The independent quantity would be the miles.
The miles. Good job. The miles I drive. The number. Let me please write down. The way I solve these algebra problems, right? I always define my variables first. The number of miles I drive. Then next. What is f of x, ma'am? The y value. What is the other quantity? Instead of y, I write function of x. What is the other quantity?
The $12 per mile.
Nice. Dollars I earn. Okay. Now, how am I to connect this f of x and x? I have to connect the quantities, right? X and y. Pranav, can you help me? Or Netra, can you help me? Jashwita has been keeping too quiet. How do I connect x and f of x? Okay. Try
12x.
12x, but there is something here. Do you see?
12x plus 7.
Exactly. The money I earn would be 12x plus 7. Why? How did she get that? You know, for those of you who still did not get it right, it's absolutely okay. But let's see this one. Okay. This is miles. This is the dollar value. I travel 0 miles. The base fee is 7. I travel 0 miles, base fee is 1 second. Sorry, guys. Now, if I travel 0 miles, it is $7. If I travel 1 mile, it's going to be 7 plus $12. If I travel 2 miles, it's going to be 7 plus 2 times $12. If I travel 3 miles, it's going to be 7 plus 3 times $12. So if I travel X miles, how do I write it? See the pattern. How do I write it?
12x.
7 plus
12x.
12x. 7 is there. Remember, that's the base fee. So what happens? What is my f of x rule? F of x is 12x plus 7 or 7 plus 12x. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
And is it not interesting for you all to see that it is of the format y equal to mx plus b? Do you realize that this is very similar? What is that y equal to mx plus b?
Slope.
Slope.
That's not slope, guys. What is
Slope
y?
intercept.
Slope intercept form of a line. Basically, that's a line equation. Basically, it's a line equation. Is it proportional or non-proportional? You forgot all that in 7th grade?
Non-proportional.
Non-proportional. Why is it non-proportional?
Because of the y-intercept.
Yeah.
Because there is a y-intercept. Right? Because there is a y-intercept, it is non-proportional. If it is an additive relationships are non-proportional. Multiplicative relationships are proportional. This is something we learned. Does that make sense? But it's so interesting. But you all told me that this is slope, right? Yes, this is slope. M is equal to 12 is the slope. Y-intercept is 7. Make sense?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
can I please go get my charger?
Please go. Quickly go before it runs out. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you more. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. Let's see this one. I don't want to give you easy ones. Okay. Okay. How about this? My phone company charges 0.25 per minute for the first. This is a little bit tricky. Okay. Please read 2 times and then answer. Okay. Per call. Oh, why am I not able to write, guys? 1 second. Yeah, per call. It was per call. For some reason, I'm not able to write. Great. Okay, just go ahead and try this one. My phone company charges 0.25 per minute for the first 5 minutes of a call. Okay. The maximum number of minutes I can call is only 5 minutes. I'll also tell you, the maximum number of minutes I can call is only 5 minutes. Okay, it's an assumption here. I'm going to write that down. Okay, now you're going to tell me the function related to this.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
what's that last line say?
That's what per call. I'll write down. My charge ran out. Okay, my pencil charge ran out. What I used to write ran out.
Oh, so it's
Per call. Yeah, I had to recharge it and then write it per call. Now,
okay.
Max minutes I can call is 5 minutes. I can call is 5 minutes. Okay. I want you to find out what is my independent value. In your school, they're going to give you what is X, what is Y, everything they'll give you. But I want you to find out what is X, what is Y. You know what and all I wanted to find out? I want you to write the equation for f of X. Okay, you have to write the function. And you know what? First, find X, find Y. Then you're going to write the equation for f of X. The last one is, what is the reasonable domain and range for this function? What is the reasonable domain and range for this function? That's a review of old work. Do that. Try, guys. I'm just going to get the charger connected.
Miss Priya, I don't understand. Can you help?
I'll definitely help you. Don't worry at all.
I also need help. I don't really understand it either.
Same here.
Wow, Jeevanashri, good job. Yeah, Jeevanashri. Mm. Yeah. So, Jeevanashri, it's nice, but do you think it's a continuous function, ma? Do you think, okay, let's say there is a phone company, you talk for 1 minute, okay? They will charge you whatever you have written, 0.45 plus 0.25. If you talk for 1 hour, 10 seconds, will they charge you for 10 seconds or for the next minute?
They charge you for the next minute, right?
Next minute, yeah. So as a result, this context, right, the context that they have given here, right, it is a discrete function. So your domain cannot be a inequality. Do you see that, Jeevanashri? It has to be in curly braces.
Okay.
Do you see why?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to explain now, everybody. Pranav, I have a huge question to you, Pranav.
Yes.
What did you do?
Well, I was just
What is X?
X is per minute.
No, X is not per minute. What is X? Think about it. What is X? What is X? What is what are the quantities that are being compared?
Minutes. Wait. The call. The dollars to minutes.
Dollars is one quantity, minutes is another quantity. Which is independent, which is dependent?
Dependent is minutes is the dependent, and then dollars is independent.
Does dollar dependent on minutes or minutes depend on dollars?
Minutes depend on the dollars. No, dollars depend on the minutes.
Minutes depend on dollars. You
No,
pay with a minute or you pay with
no,
the dollar?
dollars depend on minutes.
Dollars depend on minutes. So which is the independent quantity, which is the dependent quantity?
Dependent is dollars. Independent is minutes.
Let me go ahead and show. So you said that X is the independent quantity, which is the minutes, number of minutes. Y is the dollar you're going to spend here.
Yes.
This is f of X. Now, how are they related? Please put the table, guys. See, Naman, just by staring at it, it's very difficult to understand. How are you going to figure out? You need to figure out as well, correct? So,
Yeah.
you draw your table and check, Naman? Did you draw the table I showed you? between independent input-output rule? Did you draw it? Darsh, did you draw it?
No.
If you draw the table, you will be able to figure out. Draw the table. Independent quantity, dependent quantity.
Okay.
Okay. This is a simple scenario of you making the call. Now, you're going to make a call for 1 minute. How much will you get charged? How much will you get charged?
25 cents.
I don't want you to add anything. Please put down clearly how did you get, what is this f of x? How do you calculate it for the 1 minute? Read it. Let's see. Let's see this one. 0.25 per minute for the first 5 minutes of a call plus 0.45 connection, but plus $0.45 per call. Okay, this is confusing. Okay. $0.45 plus a $0.45 for the connectivity per call. Let's do it that way. Now tell me, Naman or Pranav or Darsh, how do I calculate the money for the first minute?
You would like use the base because it says 0.25, so it would be 0.25.
Please read again. 25 per minute for the first 5 minutes plus $1.45 for the connectivity per call. So what will you add?
70 cents.
Please don't add. I really want you to put it out bluntly. How did you get that? As an expression. How did you get that? Where did you start?
It's 0.25 per minute, and since it's 1 minute, and then since you called
Let's do that. 0.25 times 1. Then what did you do?
Then I took 45 cents because that's how much it takes.
Plus
That's how much you have to pay
0.45.
per call.
Did you add 0.45? Did you add 0.45?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now for the second, let's say you talk for 2 minutes. What happens?
0.25 and then 2 plus
0.45. Now you talk for X minutes. What will
Then
the
it would
answer
be 0.25x plus 0.45.
Yeah, so if you draw the table, you can figure it out. So my f of x will be 0.25x plus 0.45. But as I said, your x value can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. If you talk for 2.5, that is taken as the next minute here. Your y value can be, please do the dollar value here. The first one is 0.7, then 0.95, like that. It moves. You got it? Only 5 values will be there in your domain and range. Did you get it?
Yeah, when you do the table, I understood better.
Yeah. See, the table is your connecting point, okay? See, because this is what you've learned till date, right? Input-output table, you've been learning from 4th grade in different formats. So that is what you know. You cannot just like, some of you can, doesn't matter. But you start with your table, okay? X and Y. Okay, first write down for 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you still don't understand, write for 3 minutes. If you still don't understand, write for 4 minutes. Then you'll automatically get for X minutes. You got it? Sahasra, are you following, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can I give you a different scenario, guys? So what did I ask you to do? I asked you to write out the function, reasonable domain, reasonable range. Vihan, did you follow?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on? Such a lovely mathematics is algebra 1. I really love doing this algebra 1. Krishiv, did you understand?
Yes.
Now I'm going to ask you a few questions. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Yeah. See, I don't want you to do easy questions, that you can do it later. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. What is that, guys? I'll write the problem on the board. You're going to read it slowly. If you're not getting it, you're going to figure it out. Okay. Now, a music subscription costs $200 yearly fee. It's 200 base fee. And $50 per month. Right? F of X equation. Okay. Give a reasonable domain and range.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, ma'am. But take your time, guys. But I just want you to understand and do this. Okay. Give me a reasonable domain and range as well. Shrestha, I would like you to tell me what is X and F of X, ma. I just want you to understand the context as well, not just plain blunt rate equations. So please send what is X and F of X.
Okay.
Wow, Netra. Very, very impressed with your last answer, Netra.
Wait,
Did you
Miss
understand,
P,
Manetra?
what do you mean by x and f of x?
What are the two quantities you're comparing? So what is the independent value? What is the dependent value?
Okay.
Naman, nice, Naman, but I would really like to know what is X and F of X, Naman.
Okay. What do you mean, like the F for X, F of X?
I told you, right, Naman? What is F of X? You
Just-
don't remember, huh? Okay. F of X means it's the function of X. Instead of Y,
Yeah.
we put it out as F of X. Coming to algebra 1, you should write it as F of X. You should
Okay.
not, meaning usually we don't write Y. Instead of Y, you indicate F of X. Make sense?
Yeah. Yeah, but you were saying like to tell me what F of X and X means. How do I
What are
does
the two
that mean?
quantities? What are they referring to? In this
Oh,
context,
so
what are
like
they referring to? Yeah.
just
Hey,
like line.
Sahash, yes, ma, you can answer in chat. Sahasra, for the previous question, that was not a continuous function. Did you get that, ma?
Yeah.
So you should have written it in curly braces. Did you understand that?
Yeah.
Just because the companies don't charge like by seconds, you see, if you go for another extra 5 seconds, it's taken as the next minute. Make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
But let's
Also, wait, how much does it cost per month? What number is that? Is that
sorry if I was writing it incorrectly. $50, ma.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about it. Next time I'll write it better.
This
Naman, that's not what I'm asking. In this context, what are they referring to?
I don't
What
get it.
is X indicative of? What is F of X
Oh,
indicating here?
I think I got it.
Darsh. Very nice, Darsh. So if
Okay.
it is discrete function, you're going to put it out as
Curly braces.
curly braces. Yeah. If it is continuous, you can put it out as a inequality. Okay. Jeevanashri, correct, ma'am. So this sort of a thing is Jashvita. Can it be infinity, lady? Can it be? Oh, wow. Okay, makes yeah, I agree. One correction, Jashvita. 200 less than or equal to, right, ma?
Yeah, I forgot to do that.
Yeah, and what is this parenthesis, ma? Parenthesis is not used for discrete functions. You have to use the correct bracket as well. It's not a square bracket. It's not a parenthesis. This is a discrete function, right? Meaning it can be 50 only. It cannot be 75 anytime, right? So, yeah. So here in this case, I would write it out as f of x will be equal to 50x plus 200. X will be equal to the number of months. F of x equal to the dollar value you pay. Okay. After this, reasonable domain and range, x can be between what? X is what? Reasonable domain. Domain is month, right? Yeah, domain is month, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Y can be, or Y, the range, right? You have to write as range, not X and Y. You have to write as domain. Okay, that will be equal to 200. Then what? It starts with 200 or 250 here.
I think it starts with 250, right?
Yeah, I'll start with the 250 because it's never going to be 0. 250, then what? 300, right? Now or what? 200, yeah, 300, 350, it goes on and on and on. This is how I write. Jashvita, do you understand why it is 250, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I think you can take care of the rest, guys, in this unit. Okay, now. Okay, can I move on, guys? Yeah. There might be some harder problems, okay? Maybe next week, can you remind me, Jeevanashri, can you remind me to do more word problems? Vihan, did you get the answers? I didn't see any answer from you. I am a little taken aback. What do I do?
I forgot to send it. And also, I did the work.
You did the work?
Wait 1 second.
If you don't send the answer right,
Yeah.
it makes me think in different ways. So it is important whatsoever you have to send answers. Make sense, Vihan?
Yeah, I'll send it next time. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Srihari. You want to go?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead and come back. Shruti, you don't need to say, that's absolutely fine. When you want to leave, you leave. If you need help, I'll be the one to help.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, but keep me posted if you needed help with your homework.
Sure.
Okay. Now, can you draw the graph for y equal to minus x square? You're going to draw the table. Independent, dependent value is given, right? Independent value can be anything. You know what I will do if I want to graph? I will have two negative values. 1, 0, two positive values. You can have any values. You can put a -1. Whichever is easy for you to compute, you put -1, -2, -10, -100. Anything you can put in negative values. Put a 0. Put x first. Put x values first. And then two positive values, 2, 4, or 1, 3, or 1, 2, something you can put. Then find out your y value. You're given the equation, so you can plug in x and find out y. Put the table. Now, just map the table into a coordinate plane. Map the table into a coordinate plane.
Wait, could you repeat the question?
Can I repeat the question? I want you to draw the graph for this, mother. So,
Okay.
I want you, yeah.
How do we show it to you?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
what was the question?
I wanted to draw the graph.
Okay.
How do we show it to you? Do we just like show it to the camera?
Yeah. Good job, Naman. Can you send in one set of XY values?
Hmm?
Okay. If you're finding it tough, you will have to let me know, guys.
This is it.
Take your time.
What?
Nice. You want to show me the graph? Who wants to? Sorry, Darsh. Sorry, Darsh. You have to unblur your background, ma. If ever you blur, if you are showing. Yes, Jeevanashri. Thanks a lot. Yes. You guys are amazing. Can I move on? Yeah, that's right. You can blur your background now. Thank you. The values really help me to understand whether you understood. You put 2 points, right, Darsh?
Yeah.
That is very helpful. Thank you. Did you guys get it? Don't even
Yep.
think, okay, just show. It's okay to go wrong. If you don't get it wrong, then you should not be coming to the class as well. This should be some other class you should be attending. Sreshta, that's not right, ma. Can you just honor the negative sign there? Then you'll get it correctly. That's correct, Srihari. Just honor the negative sign there. Don't forget it. Then you'll get it correctly, Sreshta. Yes, ma. Yes, thank you, Shruti. Is it not time for you?
I have to go in like 5 minutes.
Nice. Okay.
Miss
Vihan,
Priya,
I'm happy that you're here for that matter, Shruti. Vihan, that's right.
Am I right, Miss Priya?
Yeah, which one? Hey, sorry, ma, you're blurring your background, Pranav. I
Yeah,
cannot
I need
see.
to unblur.
Go ahead. Who wants to show? Yes, Pranav, I'm seeing. You can again blur your background after that. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Show me.
I'm trying to
Mm-hmm.
unblur real quick.
Sreshta, you're still not obeying the negative sign. The negative sign is outside. Your x value is squared. X square is always positive, but there is a negative sign, right?
Oh, I
Okay.
thought it was everything.
Yeah, but see, okay, this is, I wanted you to understand. That's why I gave you this problem, Sreshta. So this is different. You see,
Oh, okay.
Sahasra, you're rechecking after I said that.
Yeah.
I know.
Is that right, Miss Priya?
So, sorry, whom should I see? Yes, Pranav, thank you. You can blur it again. Got it. Satvika, I'm waiting for yours. Jashwita, I'm waiting for yours. Sahasra, Krishiv, I'm waiting for yours. And Krishiv did not even tell me what are you doing in school.
my school hasn't started yet.
Oh yeah, I remember. Sorry. Yes, I know. I very much know. I forgot.
Auntie, I finished.
Yeah, Sreshta, good job. Did you visit your mom, Krishiv?
No.
Okay.
She's coming today.
Oh, wow. So you will have fun time.
Auntie, I finished.
Yeah. Can you show me? Nice. Sahasra, that's right. Sreshta, did you understand? Yeah, ma. Jashvita, thanks. Sreshta, did you understand or do you want me to do it on the board?
I understood.
You understood, but I just want to make sure you understood, ma. So I'm doing it on the board, okay? So this is, I'm going to pick up. Yes, thank you, Krishav. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. See, when this is, okay, when x equal to minus 2 means, what is minus x squared? Instead of x, you'll substitute minus 2, the whole square, and there is a minus before that. So that will be a minus 4, right? When there is minus 1, that is squared, but there is a minus. This minus is here. So it's a minus 1. 0 is a 0. Suppose if you substitute 1 square, yes, that is there. But then this minus same here is there. So this is a minus 1. This is a minus 4. So the graph will look like this. Make sense? Satvika, are you following?
Yeah.
Do you feel overwhelmed?
Kinda.
I can see that. But we need to discuss. Are you following though?
Yeah.
I'll be
Do I show?
immediately able to find Satvika, but I think you can follow, right?
Yeah.
Are you able to write the equations for f of x?
Oh, yeah.
A little overwhelmed, right? But that does not matter. Keep your perseverance. You'll be fine. Let's see after 2-3 weeks. Make sense?
Okay.
Will you do the homework?
Oh, yeah.
Do the homework. Let's see. 5 minutes. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and find this.
Miss Priya.
Yes. You want to go?
Yeah.
You can go. That's what I told Shruti too. You can go. I know
So
you
I
guys.
think I need to go too.
Yeah. Please, Shruti and Satvika, go ahead. Okay. We are going to
Thank
continue for
you.
another 5 minutes. Yeah. Go ahead. Bye. Okay, guys. Now, I'm giving you f of x is equal to minus x plus 4. Can you draw the line and show me? Can you draw the line and show me? Take your time, guys. So basically, you know what? If I want you to graph it, right, please don't graph just like that. Okay, please do the table. Table is your connecting point. That's what you've been learning. So since this is your independent value, you're allowed to substitute any value. Have two negatives, two positives, and 1 0 there. You getting it, guys?
You have to draw the graph, right?
Wait a minute. Yeah, you have to draw the graph. That's the intent.
Yeah, I have it.
Take your time, guys. I'm not in a hurry. I just want you to understand and do. Because if you understand and do, so many things can be done quickly later.
Is mine right? I think I have it. Wait, let me unblur my background.
Yeah. Take your time. Sorry, put it down. Sorry, put it down. Put it a little, bring it down. You don't have to raise it up. I didn't see. That's why I'm asking.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Show me 1 more minute. Sorry. Bring it down a little bit. You're showing blank. I can see only blank. Thank you. Yes, thanks. Really appreciate it. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Good job. No problem. Done, guys. 6 plus 4. Yeah, that's nice, Jeevanashri. What happened, guys? No, I'm not pressurizing. Okay, you take your time. No hurry.
Come on, Tia, finished.
Yes, Sahasra. You want to show Sahasra?
Oh, yeah, I finished.
Yes, I am checking. Sreshta, I checked your line. Good job, ma. Okay, Sreshta and Sahasra, I have one suggestion. Always when you draw the graph of lines, right, make sure you cross the x-axis. Choose your x-axis. I'm sorry. Choose your x values in such a way that your line will cross the x-axis. Okay?
Did I get
That's
mine?
right. Yes, Pranav. Thank you, Pranav.
Auntie, my values did cross the axis.
Show me. I don't think so. I clearly saw yours.
See?
It crossed the y-axis, right, lady? It didn't cross the x-axis. But good question asking. Can I move on? Okay, so basically what I expected out of here, I'll tell you, okay? See, here, when you compare this is y equal to mx plus b, right? Slope is what here? What is the slope, Vihan, here?
X. Yeah.
It's a number. Slope is always a number, right? What is the slope here?
This one is 4.
Oh, Vihan, you did not come in the summer. We revised all this in the summer.
Oh.
I see the problem. No problem. You can listen. You'll understand. Sreshta, what is the slope, ma? Minus x plus 4. Think about it. Mx plus b. What is m value? Anybody can help her, please. I didn't want her to put under, I didn't want her to be put on the spot. So somebody help.
It's -1.
-1. So when there is nothing in here, it's a -1. You got it? Now, when you, okay, let me show you how the lines will appear. When your slope of the line is -1, when your slope of the line is -2, I'm going to compare both, okay? This is, let's say this is a m is equal to -1 line. Okay, now I'm going to draw a red line with m equal to -2. Does that make sense, guys? What is that? It's steeper, right? When the slope is bigger, the line is steeper. Any questions? Okay. Now, if I say, let me put a different color, you'll really understand. M is equal to 1. How will the line be? Like this. So what is the difference here? If I say m is equal to 2, will it be a green line or will it be a rose line? Will it be a green line or a rose line? Will it be a green line or a rose line?
Rose line.
M is equal to 2. That means, is it steeper? See,
No, it's more broad.
This is M.
It's more broad. Like,
yeah, so M is equal to 2 is the green line or the rose line?
green.
Green line. Good job. It's steeper, right? When the slope increases, the line becomes steeper. Jashvita, are you following? Okay. Now let's ask Darsh this one. Okay.
Yeah.
The slope of this line is 4. Okay.
Yeah.
The slope of that line is 4. Can you tell me whether the slope of the red line will be bigger than 4 or lesser than 4?
What do you mean lesser than 4 or bigger than 4?
The slope of the line, the slope of the red line will be greater than...
So the pink line is 4.
Correct.
That means the red line will be more than 4.
More than 4. Good job. Okay, Jashvita, can you explain to me how will the slope of the blue line be?
It'll be less than 4.
Correct. Did you all get it, guys? Okay.
Yeah.
What will happen? How can you describe the slope of this line? Vihan or Krishiv? Can you describe the slope of that line?
That one's going to be more than 4, right?
I did not give you anything. That's going to be positive or negative is what I wanted.
Oh, positive.
It's positive.
Here. Why would
Negative?
Yeah, it would be negative. Okay, let me tell you how. When x increases, what happens to y?
It decreases, right? Because
it decreases. X increases, Y increases means it's positive. Okay. X increases, Y decreases. Or X decreases, Y increases. The opposite way is a negative slope. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now here, do you see X increases? When the X goes on increasing, right? What happens to Y? Y decreases. Both are opposites. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Whereas, if I get it like this, let's see, X goes on increasing. Between this point and this point, X increased, right? X value increased, right? See these points. But what happened to the Y value? Y value from here to here, it also increased. Did you see that? So that is a positive slope. Did you guys get it, guys? Any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Shall I stop here? Shall I stop here, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, this week again, you'll have homework from the book. Okay, I'll see when we'll have a test. Okay, we should have a test sometime, but I will do. Okay, any questions, stay, guys. If you don't have any questions, you can log off.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
Priya.
Miss
Bye, guys.
Priya. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.